Hi traders, and welcome back to my weekly outlook. It's been a long time since I make last weekly outlook, but actually I didn't have enough time because I was busy with educating my students, and I was also a bit lazy because of summertime, like everyone else. So from now I will try to make weekly outlook every Sunday just to keep you updated. Okay? So let's start. First I would like to explain you my published ideas, then I will move on actual chart. Okay, so let's take a look on Euro Chief, for example. And for Euro Chief, that setup I actually post on Friday, so it's fresh one. So I do expect that the price will go to the downside, then we will expect a reversal to the upside. But for this week, for the upcoming week, I will take every sell setup all the way to the downside. Okay, and here's also Euro New Zealand. My traders are already in, and if you are not, you should be into that trade because I posted that chart really early. So if you were following me, you will be notified in the right time. Okay, so my traders are in from that stop. Okay, so let's go. Pound Chief. Here, this is also one good chart which you should take, and you will end up with break-even actually. Here I updated you every step how we actually watch it. Okay, there was first target which we expect that the price will come and hold that trend line, then the price will continue to the downside, but price didn't. Okay, price actually went higher. Okay, and from that top we took actually the sells, and I ended up with break even because the chart actually reversed to the upside. Okay, sorry because I didn't update that chart yet, but I will update it after that weekly outlook. Okay, so let's move forward. And cat chief, if you'll take a look, we were sellers from that top, and from that top. Okay, we were sellers here, here, and here, but we actually took break-even trades on all those pairs because here we were thinking that the price will continue to the downside, and we move our trades on break-even, but actually it reverses really strongly and took out us on break-even. Okay, so pound yen, pound yen actually we took the sells, but it didn't went as we planned, and we actually took also break even on that chart, on that pair. As you can see there, we took that trade from there, and actually price reverses and took us out on break even. Okay, and Euro USD, we were expecting that the price will reverse from that area, but actually price didn't. Okay, if you were watching that the price actually fall are really aggressive. As you can see here, the price went aggressively to the downside, and it was keep forming our sell setups. So you should not buy actually that pair. Okay, and actually on September, actually on 4th of September, actually give us a really nice buy setup. So we took the buys and move on break even. So we'll see how the trend will plays out, and we actually expect that the trend will continue to the upside, at least to that top or that top. Okay, and from that prices we will see how the price will react, if we will see a reversal or not. Okay, and pound Aussie, actually there was also a short opportunity which also take me out on break even, and I'm again in that trade. I'm again the seller from that top, and we will see how the trend, how the pair will plays out actually. Okay, Euro New Zealand, here was also one, but that one didn't give us any price actions here to trigger our shells, and actually give us on second of September give us a sell setup, so we were able to join that trade, and we will be holding it all the way to that bottom, and we will also add more trades to that pair. Okay, so what else do we have here? USD cat, that one was a really nice trade. If you were with us, you should take our buy setups from here, and you will be able to add more on that wave, because wave are is really nice. Okay, and we know that the price will go all the way back, because I post you on July 4th, post you the chart. Actually, before everything happened, I posted chart what will happen, and as you can see, there was a really nice move which you should take. Okay, but now you should not be take any buys. Okay, take off your buys and prepare for your sell. Okay, as I can see that the trend will continue to the downside. We will not probably see that kind of movement that long. Okay, and that's all. So I will move on real chart to explain you, actually to forecast the moves for future week, for the upcoming week, sorry. Oh, so let's start. Euro New Zealand. What I do expect, I expect that the price will go all the way back to that bottom. Actually, it will at least broke the bottom, and then it will reverse, and then it will continue to the downside. Okay, so for the upcoming week, we will be trading the sells from here. Okay, we will be trading all the way, at least all the way to that, to break that bottom, and then we will watch what the price, how the price will behave actually. Okay, so if I move on lower time frame, as you can see, there was actually a nice move. My traders are here from that and that spot. Some of them, which are a bit aggressive, join the trade here. Okay, so for you guys, I'd recommend you that you will wait for correction, then you will also join the wave to the downside. Okay, your GBP, let me take a look. As you can see, if you will have there a correction like that, you will be able to sell it. Otherwise, I do expect that the price will go break that top, and then it will reverse to the downside. So let's take a look on lower time frame. As you can see, if the price will do the correction like that, you have to be seller. Okay, otherwise the price will reverse, break that top, and then we will see a completely reversal to the downside. Okay, so cat chief, there is a really nice wave actually coming to the downside. I do expect the break of that bottom, and then the price will reverse to the upside. Okay, so you will have to watch lower time frame, but be careful. If the price will do the correction like that, you should be a buyer. Okay, otherwise you are the seller. Okay, from here now I can see that the price will go and tag at least that bottom, and then it will reverse. Okay, but we will see. Keep your eyes on lower time frame. USD chief, let me see. What can we have there? What do we have there? I think that the price will go break that bottom, and then it will continue to the upside. So be careful. This week I will be a seller, and then when the price will break that bottom, I will be start watching for buy. Okay, to break that top, and then will be seller again from that top. Okay, and pound yen, as you can see on daily, there is no signs of any reversal, so I still think that the price will go a slightly lower, and then continue to the upside. There's a small wave to the downside, okay? And if you are able to manage it, you can take, but I will stay away from it because I'm not interested now for that kind of sell, small sell. Okay, I will be interested in sell if we will have a big correction like that. Then I will be a seller on pound yen. Otherwise, I will stay away from the sell. Okay, because I don't like to actual sell on the bottom. Okay, pound Aussie. Let's see daily. There's a actually nice wave coming here to the downside, and then we'll see what price will do. So for the upcoming week, for the next week, I recommend you that you will take every sell setup. Okay, just keep your eyes on lower time frame and take every sell setup to that bottom. Okay, first you will have to take care what will happen around that bottom, and then if the price will aggressively break that bottom, you should stay into the trade and hold it all the way back to this bottom. Okay, so keep your eyes on your sell setups for this week. Okay, pound cat, let's see what do we have there. As we can see, I do expect some kind of deep correction actually, and from that top, actually from that high, from that place, I will actually expect a new sell. So for the upcoming week, I will be a buyer. Okay, but this trade is really short term. I will not be holding it for long. I will just take buy and get out. Okay, get in, get out, get in, get out. Just trade it like that. Okay, here is a in the making some setup. You can take it and you will see how the price will go actually. Okay, but I can see that the price will go first, tag that bottom, and then the price will continue to the upside. Okay, so there is a short term sell. When it will break that bottom, actually break and hold that bottom, you will be a buyer. Okay, so let's move forward. New Zealand cat, I will be a buyer, but just wait for any price action. There will be a nice buy actually. There is no sell. I will be buyer again to break that top, and then we will see. First I will watch that top, and later on, if we will strongly break that top, I will stay into the trade. But for now, I don't have any buy setup at the moment. I will wait because there is a short-term sell which can go break that bottom and then it will reverse. Okay. Euro USD, as I posted that setup actually here somewhere here, I show you that the price actually from the here, I think that the price will reverse. So let me check if I updated that for you. Let me see your USD. Where is it actually? Not that one. A fresh one actually. Yeah, that one. Okay, as you can see, as I posted here on September 2nd of September, you see that I was expected that the price will go to that price, hit and reverse. What actually did? The price actually came to that level and actually bounces off. Okay, as you can see, you see I posted that few days before what actually will happen. See, this is that level, and actually what the price did, actually it bounces off from that level. Okay, and there you should be a buyer. As you can see, there was a small setup which you will be able to take for the upside. So for the upcoming week, I will be still a buyer. Okay, but as you can see there, it can go retest the previous bottom and then it will completely reverse. But it will reverse till that top or a bit higher. Okay, it will. I'm not sure that the price will completely reverse and make new high. Okay, so for the upcoming week, just watch your buy setups. Okay, USDN. Let me see. Okay, I will be a buyer for the upcoming week. Let me see. Do we have any buy setup? Not yet, but it will form. I think there will be a nice buy setup, and you should take it. Okay, so keep on watching on your buy setup and join the wave to the upside. Okay, I do expect that the price will go above that top. Okay, at least it will at least break that top. Okay, so we can expect that the price will go tag that top and then it will reverse, but I don't think so. I think that the price will completely go tag that top. Okay, first you will watch how the price will behave around there, then if the price will go and strongly break that top, you should watch a next high. Okay, so when you will join the buy setup, just put it on break even once you're in the trade and watch it. Okay, because there is a really nice wave to the upside. Okay, at least this, there's a good movement actually. Okay, Euro Aussie. Let's see, as you can see, we already start selling that pair. There is a nice wave to the downside. Okay, I do expect that the price will still continue and go tag that bottom. Okay, so let's see. My traders are already in and they are secured with break evens. Some of them are from here, some of them are also from here and here. Okay, so for the next week, I do expect that you will again watch for correction, then you will simply join the trade to the downside. But I will wait for a bit bigger correction. Okay, I will wait for 4 hours and then I will add the trade to the downside. Okay, New Zealand Chief, let's see. What do we have here? Okay, I see that the price is really strong to the downside. And I still think that the price will continue to the downside. Okay, there are no signs for any reversal yet. Okay, I still see that the price will go break that bottom. Okay, but be careful. If you're not educated, I do recommend that you will stay away from that trade. It's really tricky at the moment. Okay, Aussie USD. Let me see weekly. Okay, be careful because the price will reverse soon to the upside. But till now we are still sellers. Okay, we will watch how the price will behave. We are having some small wave to the upside also, and then we will see how the price will behave. Okay, so for the upcoming week, I do expect, or I do recommend you that you will take a buy setup. Okay, it's quite risky. You should not take it if before you will not see that kind of correction. When you will see it, you will be able actually to join on breakout. Okay, otherwise the price will go break that bottom and it will reverse later on. Okay, so keep your eyes on lower time frame. Pound chief, let's see, daily. Daily. Okay. Okay, price, it still can go tag that bottom, so be careful. Again, watch if the price will hold somewhere there, you will be able to join later on breakout. Okay, So keep on watching. If we'll in the middle of week we will have some kind of correction like that, okay, something like that on the Wednesday, maybe here, okay, you will be able to enter the trade to the upside. But till now, I think that the price will go like that. So we are expecting a correction, then we will join the trade to the upside. Okay, but be careful because the price, it can actually went, it can actually drop hard, okay, aggressively to the downside because you're still in the downside. Okay, Euro Chief, let's see, you actually have that chart posted on my trading view. Am I right? Let me see. ID published. Okay. Your chief, you can see that idea is also posted, and you will be able to join that move all the way back to that bottom. Okay. So keep your eyes on your sell setup. Aussie chief, there is also a sell setups. Just keep your eyes on your sell setups. Okay. But do not sell it immediately. Wait for some kind of price action, then trigger your trade. Okay, Euro yen, let's see daily. Okay, there are really nice signs for reversal. So soon as you will have a buy setup, take it. Okay, take it because the price will start rising. Okay, and you should not miss that move. So keep your eyes on your lower time frame for your buy setups. Aussie yen, it's the same scenario actually. Keep your eyes on buy setups and you should not miss it. CAD yen, all CAD, all yen pairs are looking for the upside. Okay, so for all yen pairs, you will be watching a buy setups. Okay, for the upcoming week. So let's move on. Euro CAD. What do we have here? Here is a nice sell setups. If you will have any sell setups, just join because the price will go all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so just watch for correction. USD CAD, as you can see, I do expect that the price will go break that bottom and then we can expect a reversal. Okay, so for the upcoming week, watch your lower time frame for your sell setups. Okay, if we will have there a sell setup, you'll be able to join it and watch that bottom. Okay, join the sell and watch the bottom. You can see I do expect some kind of correction that will be at least 30 minutes or 1 hour correction. And if you will take that sell, watch that bottom how the price will behave there. Okay, I do expect at least break that bottom. Okay, so let's move on. Aussie cat, here's the same scenario. There's a short wave to the downside, then you will expect a reversal. So for the upcoming week, you will be watching for at least that wave. Okay, that's your potential. First, that's your target, and if the price will aggressively break that bottom, you just move your trade on break even. Okay, because the price, it can actually break that bottom, tag that bottom, and it can reverse to the upside. So if you will be a seller, just move on break even and watch how it will behave. Okay, so what else do we have there? Pound USD, let's see. Okay, I do expect that the price will start rising. Okay, we will see that kind of movement. So for the upcoming week, you will be focused on your buy setups. Okay, there is a really nice wave coming to tag that top, and then the price will reverse to the downside. Okay, so just wait for a correction and join the trade. Okay, we can actually have a bit deep pullback, actually a bigger correction, and then the price will continue to the upside. And I do expect price will go all the way back to that top. Okay, New Zealand USD the same. Just watch for your buy setups. Okay, pound New Zealand. There is actually, let me see. Okay, price will go tag that top, and then we can see a sell. So I will be watching for buy setups. Okay, you should not take your trades if you will not have any buy setups over there. Okay, but be careful. You will need first break that bottom. Okay, you will have to break that bottom, then you will start watching for your buy setups. Okay, but until the price will not break that bottom, you should not be watching for your buys, because the price, it can actually drop aggressively to the downside. Okay, Aussie New Zealand, let's see, there is a sell. There's a really nice sell coming. Okay, as you can see, the price will go break that bottom, and then it will reverse to the upside. Let me see a weekly. Okay, yeah, we can expect a break of that bottom, then we will see that kind of movement. So for the upcoming week, just watch for your sell setups. Okay, the price is not ready actually. Okay, there's a nice sell setup in the making, so watch it. Okay, all the way to the, sorry, so watch it. Okay, let's move on. Gold, some of you guys want gold. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, here is a sell in the next week. Okay, let's see. Yes, there is a really nice sell coming. You just have to watch on lower time frame for the correction, and then you will be able to join the trade. Okay, the trade will be at least to that. Okay, and if the price will aggressively fall to the downside, just simply stay in the trade on break even. Okay, because the price, it can reverse and completely break that bottom. Okay, so be careful, but watch for sell setups. Okay, I think that's all for this week. I will try to post you some more setups on TradingView for free for you guys. And if you're actually interested, you can actually join our academy. The prices are not actually that high. You just need to actually decide what would you like. If you would like to become a really good trader, okay, here you can choose actually between two memberships. Both of them are actually lifetime, with lifetime access. So if you will choose a group training or one-on-one, there is not big difference actually. I do recommend you a group training if you can learn by yourself, because for the group training you have many videos which are pre-recorded, and you can simply just watch them and learn from it. Okay, and you will also have the access to our community, where we have already trained trainers, well-trained traders actually, which are posting a daily setups like I do. And yes, you're more than welcome if you decide that you would like to become a good trader. Okay, so till next Sunday, have a nice day and take care. May the profit be with you. Bye bye.